My family. This is me, and this is my family. I have got a mum and dad. They are wonderful. My mum is the teacher. She wakes us up in the morning and makes us breakfast. She works during the day and picks us up from school in the afternoon. This is my dad. He is a doctor. He usually works during the day, but sometimes he works in the evenings. When he finishes work early, he cooks dinner for the whole family. He makes really tasty pasta with tomato sauce and cheese. This is my older brother. He is at university studying history. He is very clever. This is my little sister. We go to the same school. She is good at science and loves sports too. We're a very close family. We've got lots of cousins, aunts and uncles. These are my grandparents. Sometimes the whole family gets together for celebrations. I love my family. They are always there for me, and I feel safe and happy whenever they're around.